John and I have waited for this day for a long time. So it is so cool to be able to do this in Manufacturing Month in October. There's a whole lot of open jobs out there, and as Ohio keeps growing and keeps attracting businesses to Ohio, the number that they were utilizing was more than 540,000 jobs are looking to be created and needing to be filled with engineers, technicians, operators, IT, AI, and that's just the beginning.
Ohio's 5th Congressional District is proud to be home to more than 1,000 manufacturers, supporting 86,000 jobs that drive our state's economy. From small family-owned shops to large-scale productions, our manufacturers are leaders in innovation and productivity, producing goods that reach our communities in Ohio, across America, and around the world.
We just have so many pioneers. We have so many hard-working visionaries here in Lorain County that when you see another one of them, it gets you excited. You know, if you're a visionary and you see another visionary working, you're like, that's what's inside of me. I knew it. We got to make that happen. Thank you for helping me get a little bit closer to putting what's inside of here together. And that's what we do at Amherst. You know, we have a bunch of visionary people doing this thing. So this year, we have over about 88 students right now for the whole year. Students are on track this year alone to accomplish 102 industry credentials this year alone, all of our students.
All the advancements that are being made, like at JBS and here, this is a great opportunity, at least, to let somebody sample what is out there.
3, 2, 1.